Alright, so what's up, y'all? This is the next part to this Honda Accord wagon ute. Here's the progress we got so far. I did actually start grinding down this, and I haven't finished it yet. I think I finished grinding this down on the doors. We actually took the interior out. I went to metal supermarkets, bought some tubing. Hopefully the camera can pick it up in the dark. But yeah, so I bought some tubing. I bought some 16 gauge sheet metal, since the 4Runner hatch I did not quite work that way. But what we did was we braced it apart from each door side, welded it in, then placed this down here, welded it to the to the tube. And what we're going to do is we're going to actually tape the window out here and then cut it out, and hopefully it works. We haven't figured that out yet, but we'll get there when we get there. But yeah, so this is what it looks like so far. I still have a lot more welding to do. Right now it's really just tacked on, but as you can see, it's not really moving, so that's the good point. Also, I could trim this side out too. We already marked it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the same exact 16 gauge steel sheet metal and lay it over here on these side windows and actually just weld them on, and then basically encase all of this. So I'm not going to worry about the window, because as you can see, I tried to use the window with, I think, polycarbonate. Didn't work, broke the second I screwed it in. So the window idea for the rear is not happening. Instead, we're just going to use our big window back here. Also bought some 2-inch wide flat bars to do for the bedside right here. In fact, actually I got one right here. I'll show you. This is how we do on the sides of the truck bed. Essentially look something like that, essentially. And then once this is welded on this side, I can come underneath and start welding the walls for it inside the truck bed. Here's the exterior of what the wall looks like currently. As you see, I just trimmed this side off just now, not too long ago. So yeah, so they're making some progress. So hope y'all enjoying it. It sucks that the Toyota 4Runner hatch I did not quite work, because then we'd probably already be on the bed working on it by now. But it is what it is. It's all good, not a big deal. But I'll keep you updated when we actually start getting ready to install the actual window. Hopefully the window over there is big enough, or I mean small enough. It's actually, I think it's too big, but we'll find out once we actually weld both sides of these in. Then we will truly figure to know. So hope y'all enjoy. If you like to see this build continue, please like and subscribe. Alright, so what's up, YouTube? So here's the next update for the Honda Ute build. We're actually working on the front end suspension right now, but the last video, I'm not sure, but we added this wall right here. I was just going to add a Ford Ranger window and put it in right here, but I had a super hard time trying to figure that out. So I kept the window. We did reuse the 4Runner hatch and went ahead and welded the sidebars on, tack welded them on. But to show you why I left that rear wall in here is because of this. We added the brace right there to it, so now there's like a little gap in between them all. And what I'm gonna do is I can actually get some plywood or something and drill it on this side right here and build me a speaker wall like I wanted. So it kind of worked out. It kind of worked out great, just how I wanted it to. But yeah, we got both side bars in now. We got the new 4Runner hatch welded to it along with the back bars. So yeah, so that's the update for now.